Good morning to all. Welcome back to our channel Mini Gurukulam. So, friends and students, if you want any information, please comment me. I will give that information. Then, if you have interested, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So, today our topic is, look at the picture. Guess what is the title? Yes, the people. Today our lesson is 10th class lesson, the people. So let's move the lesson. What is the meaning of population? Population in similar terms is the number of people in a city or town or region, country or world. Population is usually determined by a process called census. So, we will learn about another simple meaning of population, that is, so look at the population once again in a simple word. The people living with political or geographical boundary is called population. The people living within political or geographical boundaries called population is the simple term, easy to learn. So we will learn the another one, that is population growth. Population growth refers an increase in the number of people that reside within a state or country. Population growth is increase the number of people. Remember, increase the number of people is population growth. So look at the line carefully. So students, now once again we will see the population and population growth. The people living within a political geographical boundary called population. Population growth refer an increase in the number of people that rise within a state or country. So living with people, population, increase the number of people, population growth. Observe carefully. Look at the underline the words. Living people called population. Increase of number of people. Increase the number of people called population growth. Living and increase, that is the line, small line difference between the population and population growth. Before we learn the population growth in India, we first learn about the regions for high population. High population, the rate of population growth depends on the differences between the birth rate and death rate. Population growth depends on birth rate and death rate. Look at the picture. Population growth in India from 1955 to 2020. The population growth is still increased day by day. So 1955 to 2020, India growth is increasing. And now we will learn the birth rate and death rate definition. What is birth rate and what is death rate? Now birth rate, we will see the birth rate. Birth rate refers to the total number of births per thousand of a population in a year. Every thousand population, how many births in a year? Birth rate refers to the total number of births per thousand of population in a year, called birth rate. Now turn to learn death rate. Death rate refers to the total number of deaths per thousand of a population in a year. Thousand of population, death, number of death per thousand of population. Number of birth per thousand of population. Simple words. Easily identify the quotations. Now we will see the population in India. So this information use competitive exams also. That's why read carefully. India's population is 130 crores. India population is 130 crores. India is the second most population country in the world. Second most population country in the world. First population country, yes, the most populated country in the world is China. First place goes to China and second place goes to India. Top 2 populated countries in the world. So students, look at the logo. Identify the logo. Yes, identify. This is the Census of India logo. Now we will learn about the census. What is census? An official count or survey, especially of population, is called census. Census do the work, an official count or survey of the people. According to the 2011 census, India population is 130 crores. India population is 130 crores. And we will learn some another important points about census. Already we learned what is census. A census is a systematically acquiring and recording information about the population, and this process is repeated for once in every 10 years in India. Every 10 years census counted recording information about the people in India. The Registrar General and Census Commission of India organizes the collection and recording of this information. And also learn what does the census shows. The census shows age structure. Three type of age structures. One is below 15 years called children's, and the second one is 15 to 59 years working age, and third one 59 years plus, 59 year above called aged. Now we will show the age structure. One of the most important characteristics of the population of India, the age composition determines the country's social and economic structure. The total population is broadly divided into the three age groups. Look at once again. Three age groups, that is below 15 years, 15 to 59 years, and 59 plus years. These three groups are divided by the census. We will learn the clear information, all information about these three groups our next class. If you have any doubts, please comment me. If you have liked my video, share, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much all of you. Bye.